Alright, new day, new advent of code. Monkey in the middle. You realize your pet is much lighter than you remember. Monkeys are playing keep away with your missing things. Okay. To be able to predict where the monkeys will throw your items, after some careful observation you realize the monkeys operate based on how worried you are about each item. Example, so each monkey has some starting items. Whoa, this is going to be a lot of parsing or not? Let me get me some tea to prepare. Monkey has several items, starting items. List your worry level for each item the monkey is currently hoarding. Okay, so each monkey has a certain starting item and they have a certain operation. Tests show how the monkey uses your worry level to decide where to throw an item. After each monkey inspects an item, but before it tests your worry level, you're relieved that the monkey's inspection didn't damage the item, causes your worry level to be divided by 3. Down to the nearest integer. In the above example, the first round proceeds as follows. So the round wait, why does... Okay, so at some point a round ends. How does a round end? If a monkey is holding no items at the start of its turn ends. Count the total number of items each monkey inspects. Items inspected 101 times. That's a lot of things. There's a level of monkey business. Stuff slinging simian shenanigans. Okay. Let me already get my puzzle inputs. Day 11.txt. So let me try to understand it again. So they operate based on how worried you are about each item. So they have some starting items. List your worry level for each item the monkey is currently hoarding in the order they will be inspected. But this doesn't show a worry level. It shows me the name of the item, right? Oh, okay, so monkey inspects an item with a worry level of 79. Worry level is multiplied by 19 to 100. Well, monkey inspects an item. Okay, so it doesn't say exactly what's the name or whatever of the item it is, only the worry level. That's kind of confusing. Can items have the same worry level? I guess, yeah. Why not? That must be possible. So, okay, so a monkey hoards an item. After each monkey inspects an item, but before it tests your worry level, let me keep reading this. As the monkey inspects an item, something happens to it. Test shows how the monkey uses your worry level to decide where to throw an item. After the monkey inspects an item, but before it tests your worry level. So it tests an item, inspects an item, okay, so the item, so he has 79. Of course, he does times 19, 1501, divided by 3 to 500, not divisible by 3. Turn to monkey 3. So monkey 3 gets an item with level 500. And then he immediately gets it. So it's not like we have to wait around. They are just immediately being passed. Could end up inspecting and throwing many items by the end of its turn. If a monkey is hoarding no items at the start of its turn ends. Okay. Okay. Let's start with the following. Let's start by reading the inputs, because that's already a whole thing. Monkey text is reads input slash day11.txt dot reads dot split based on 2 new lines. inputs. Okay, so we got some monkey. Great. Maybe just make a quick class. I don't need all this stuff. Text in monkey text. So now the question is also I guess what I want to do is self.items list, right? Because monkeys are holding some items. Def I guess I can pop items. And I guess I can calculate worry level. That's good enough for now. Okay. Let's just make a list. So we got monkey 1 to 7. Now we still have to parse things. What is nice about this is that each monkey is very predictable in where everything is. So we can import the regex. It's also funny, compatible microchips was another Advent of Code challenge, I think. I think that is correct. Print self.items. Okay, so we got the items. That's always good. Get next monkey for a certain item. Yeah, good enough for now. So we can pop the item already. Now it's up for calculating the worry level. Okay, so this is kind of confusing because it has odd plus 4. Yeah, well, I guess I'm trying to find whether regex is plus multiply. I guess it's either plus or multiply. Right? Yeah. Either monkeys add or multiply. Luckily, they are not performing very confusing mathematical operation. I guess I can just split it. I'm not just doing stupid parsing. Actually, operation dot replace. I can replace odd with item. I'm not sure if I have to make it a string, probably. And now I can just have two integers. Operate on is find all the integers. This is so ugly. Okay. So now we have certain monkeys. Now we still need this test for getting the next monkey. Maybe let's calculate the worry level first. For item, okay, let's just take monkey 0. Monkey is monkeys 0. Monkey dot items. I have the issue that I see more text than I expected. Yeah, here I've printed the items, which is nice, I guess. So the new worry levels. Oh, I definitely need this, by the way. Let me just get rid of some of my code. Yeah, okay, so we have 1501 in this example, and this became 1862. So with my single unit test of check this once, this code is perfectly fine. Nothing which can go wrong right now, said Roland, with a sense of foreshadowing. Let me make it a bit bigger so you can also read it. Okay. So we still have to test this. Okay, so the test is always, is it divisible by something, right? Test divisible by test is self.text 0, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Row 2 is no. Four. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So then after we do this, worry level is worry level divided by 3. And the next monkey is, monkeys get next monkey for this 4 worry level. Let me see if that's correct. 620 is thrown to monkey 3. Okay. All right. Hey, this looks pretty good. And we have to do this. Okay. So we do for each monkey while it has items. We pop the item, we calculate the worry level. Let me keep this actually. And then we can say monkeys, next monkey, the items to append the item. Okay. For ID okay, so we got end of round 0. Let me compare that. And fun times, it's not what we expected. It's not what we hoped for. let's enumerate over this, print ID. Monkey with a certain ID. Let me open the full output data in a text editor. Okay, so we got monkey 0. Worry level is 1500. 1 becomes 500. Turn to monkey 3. 98 becomes 1862. 620. Next monkey is 3. Why does the monkey inspect an item at a worry level of 54? It becomes 60. Okay. Chosen item at level 22, monkey 0. 65. 71. 3 to 23. Monkey 0. 6 to 81, monkey gets bored. 77, throws it to monkey 0. 26, is thrown to monkey 0. So let me get this straight again. So the items monkey 0 gets are 20, 23, 27, 26. Six. Huh? 20, 23, 27, 26. 20, 23, 27, 26. It's not the same. It's simply not the same. Got to item 54, 65. 65, 75, 74. Okay, so I'm still showing the item and not an item with a certain worry level. Okay, that makes sense. So then after one round, but why is this still wrong? Monkey 3, gets item 500. Monkey 3 gets item 620. Monkey 0 gets item 20. Monkey 0 gets item . So he should get 20 and then 23. 20 and 23. Why do my monkeys oh, got it. 20, 23, 27, 26. Okay, that's good. Let me make sure that that is correct. End of round 1. See how fantastic unit tests are, right? That looks correct. This looks correct. This looks correct. Looks like my monkeys are doing as well. And after all the rounds, it's 10, 12. Okay. So chasing all the monkeys at once is impossible. You're going to have to focus on the 2 most active monkeys. Count the total number of times each monkey inspects over 20 rounds. I love default dict, even though it's absolutely unnecessary right now, because we can just count them items. Is okay, we can just do 0 for m in monkeys. $101, 95, 7, 105. The 2 most active monkeys. Sort, reverse is true. Part 1 is count them items 0 times count them items 1. Perfect. Let me do that here as well. Great. Now I wonder how often we have to do this for part 2. You're worried you might not ever get your items back. So worried in fact that the relief that the monkey's inspection didn't damage an item no longer causes your worry level to be divided by 3. Possibly 1,000 rounds. I hear we go for 1,000 rounds and worry level is not dropped anymore. Exceeds the limits for integer string conversion. Oh, that's funny. I didn't even know there was an integer string conversion limit. Row levels are no longer divided by 3 after each item is inspected. Starting again from an initial state in your puzzle input, what is the level of monkey business? Let me actually do this. So this is not very relevant anymore. Maybe if round in 1, 20,000, 2,000 rounds. Okay. Two, 4, 3, 6, 99, 97, 8, 103. I mean, this is really funny. I never expected this to be a problem. Okay, well, I guess it's very clear that this is way too slow. But that makes it extra funny. Oh, again, I never expected this to become the problem. Main larger or equals else. I think now we at least replace argument must be string, not int. Look at that. Look at that, that is wrong. Fuck. No. Wait, but it used to be correct, right? Yeah, okay. At least that is still possible. Okay. But why does this? Oh, because it finds all the digits? Okay, let's think about what's really happening here. So monkeys get a certain item. And their instructions, they have some tests. It's clear that if we keep multiplying things, we get crazy high numbers. I would actually like to see how fast this goes. But yeah, at some point we get crazy high numbers, so that's not good. So so normally what I would like to do is see if an item like if you multiply with something, then you can still make it divisible by 23 and then multiply it again. So that I know. In this case, we have multiple monkeys. So my first thought now the question is, what is the mathematically sound way to solve this issue? Although one way of solving this issue is going back to bed again and just waiting for this thing to finish. But as you can see, this is going to take a very long time. So now the question is, what is a number which is divisible by all these? And I guess that's just multiplying each number together, right? That is divisible by all of them. Magic divisor is 1. here we can do self.diff by is monkeys, magic divisor multiplied by m.diff by. If part 1, we drop it by this, else, yeah. Num rounds is 20 if part 1, else loads. Okay, so this is part 2 actually. Oh, why am I so dumb? This was the test case. Okay. Yeah, okay. I guess we now have a minute to think about what we did. Oh, damn. Okay, it's even slower then. Part 2. 10 seconds left. All right. Completed it. I am 1 gold star closer to collecting enough star fruits. Let's see. How long did other people take? So it took me 48 minutes. Other people took 18 minutes. Respect. Don't know who Robert Chow is, but looks pretty cool. How did my friends do? Michael is still working. Yeah, so in case people are wondering why didn't I upload a video yesterday, the true answer is that I checked whether I was recording the correct screen, and then I guess maybe I turned on the screen again or something happened, but apparently as soon as I hit recording, it apparently stopped recording. So hopefully today worked. So have a nice day, like and subscribe or whatever. Give me some feedback on whether you actually like watching this or would have rather like to see some highlights. I don't know. Yeah, have a nice day.